Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a simple mask. This is no sewing whatsoever, and it's really easy to do. I'm not going to cut a lot of videos out of this because it takes a long time for me to render them. If you understand video, you will know. This is what it looks like. And if you put it right around your ears, this is what it looks like, okay? That's what it looks like. And once you have it on your ears and everything, it looks a lot better, okay? So that's what it looks like. Sorry, I can't demonstrate anything more than that. It's really easy. All you need is rubber bands, and then you need microfiber. And I got these at Home Depot. They got a little bigger now, so you might have to cut them, but the one I got before, this is 13 by 13, okay? And all you need is 4 rubber bands. That's it. And this. Now, because we're making double layers, before I go into further than that, I want to explain something so you can understand, okay? As you know, this is not N95 mask. So please don't try to pick things and then attack on my videos, okay? This is a no time to attack anybody. Believe it or not, I've been helping my dad to have these, and this is what he does. He put it on every day, and then when he come home, we just throw this thing in the washer or a dryer. I'm sorry, throw in the dryer, and then if the elastic breaks, we just replace it. I mean, come on, for elastic, how much is it gonna cost really? So it is semi-disposable, but it's washable. Okay, I can say that. And all you need is toilet paper. Okay, and I'll show you really quick how I did it. I put one layer here, and it happened to have 3 pieces. Then I put another layer here. Okay. Now, if you want another layer, you can put one more in the center, because that's where your face is. And remember, okay, please remember, let me explain to you, for you to something, how I understand this virus. It just bombarded at you. So basically, 2-3 layers would help you, as long as you can breathe, okay? It is not 100% protection, but at least it'll stop something. Okay? That's all I'm going to say. And like I stated, don't attack my stuff, please. There's no point of you attacking it. I'll just delete you anyway. But they do come by and attack my stuff. So, now, just fold that in half. Okay? So you get that in half. Now here's a trick. You put this rubber band in the center here. Okay? I'll show you really quick. Fold it like folding a fan. I don't know if you ever done a fan before. Like this. See it? One downward, one upward, one downward. And put this in the center. I'll show you why we're doing that in a minute. Grab your next one. Grab your next one. Now, since you got something like that, okay? Tie it. Take the red one. Tie this in. And don't worry about the extra stuff. I'll show you in a minute. Don't worry about this clumpy thing on. Who gives a crap if people looking at you? Now, you see these 2 hanging out because we put it in the center? Put it through here from the inside going out. and loop it. Okay? And that's our thing. So basically, you take this loop out here. You take the inside loop, go on the inside of this loop, and yank. Okay? We want everything from the inside. I'll show you why in a minute. You'll understand in a minute. So basically, it's like a little boat. See it? It's like a boat. Now, this side do the same thing. Oop, put your rubber band in the center. Fold it. Start with this here. And go upward. Upward. Grab one more. Sorry, I have to put the rubber band in the center here. And put in. So if you noticed, this is all on the inside. So like I said, it's like a boat. And I'll show you why in a minute. Then come over here and put in the other elastic. Okay. Then remember the two. One in the center. Pull a little bit. Pull this up. Take the one from the inside here. Loop it into the inside here and yank it. And now you have your elastic. Okay? You see these? The concept? Now, this is going to be your top. Because you don't want anything to, you know, because sometimes wind or whatever comes to, okay? You put that in. And then, I'm going to bring my mannequin over. And you put that in. And this is what I'm talking about. Because I did it this way, you see how I say it's a boat. Everything here is protected. Everything down here is protected. And everything here is actually go against your face. So literally this sticking out. We don't care if other people say something. I don't give a crap. I'm just going to walk around just like that. I don't care. Because everything else here is protected. Plus I got extra here. In case a virus lands on here, I'm protected. Same thing with over here. So adjust it in the way that the boat, your face is inside of the boat. Get it? And just like that. Now, sometimes you can pull it this way here. You can pull it this way here. And you get your adjustments. So find out the exact adjustments. And if you have to pull out a little more, whatever, you can. See? And that's all you have to do. And see how when you pull and look at the string comes out this way. Same thing with over here. If you have kids or whatever, this is like no sewing whatsoever. And see? Just like that. And always adjust this side, okay? Don't worry about the other side. Don't worry about this side. This side don't matter. To be honestly, if I walk down the street and someone's going to laugh at me, go right ahead. I'll be laughing when you get a virus. I won't. And that's all you have to do. And remember, this side, everybody on the internet, everybody, and I'm going to tell you everybody. And every time I watch all these things, I got so frustrated. Because all they worry is in the outside. Hello, at this time, you are not going to look like Prada. Right? I'm serious. It's like, geez, people, lighten up. You know, staying alive is better than looks. But we live in that world. It's like that. They always worry about this, worry about that. But the one that worry but the most is on the inside. Because that's what's protecting us. So all these, please remember, okay, that I teach you. Everything on here is important. In here is important. In here is important. And make sure it looks like a boat and it's inside here. And there's no sewing whatsoever. And I leave it just like this. And then my father would take it in the morning. After that, he comes home, take the whole thing and chuck it into the dryer. One time he's like, oh, but if I threw it in the dryer, the rubber band's gonna break. I said, do you think I give a crap right now if the rubber band breaks? I have a whole bag. Hello. Even him doesn't think. You know what I mean? He's like, oh, but the rubber band's gonna break. Do you think I give a crap if the rubber band breaks? I can get a whole thing for $1.99. Jeez. But anyway, that's how people think. Anyway, let me give extra tips for you. And you see it on my video first, okay? I'll be the first one in human history. Doggy pad, yes. Yes, you can use this for your mask. If you see my other mask videos, I'm telling people how to do it now. Look, this is actually cotton. Here is not. Here's fiber. Okay, that's regular fiber. The other stuff is actually cotton. Yes, I burnt it and I want to see if it's actually burnt. And it's actually cotton put together. So guess what? When you run out of toilet paper, you can literally cut this, remove this piece out, use this side only, and that's your cotton filter right there. You see that? I'm gonna make a different video, but I'm gonna show you. There's a lot of stuff that I that I know that a lot of people don't know. Yes, see, look. I cut on this side and make something out of it already. Yes, doggy pad. So remember, when it's out... Oh, I forgot another thing before I go. If you run out of toilet paper, look, there's your toilet paper right there. Go get some doggy pads. You see it? Just lift this out. You don't even have to. Because you know what? You don't even have to lift it out. Because this will be your protecting your hand. Cut a bunch of these pieces in squares. And make my portable bidet that I have up here. I'll link it up here for you. My portable bidet. And cut into square pieces. And use that as your toilet. That you'll find a wipe. You know what I mean? Even if you want disposable. But when I do my thing. When I do my bidet. When I test it out. I use these things. I don't care. I wash it. Washing it costs cheaper than, you know, than toilet paper. Because right now there's no toilet paper. I couldn't find them anywhere at least. But even if it's there, even if you can't find toilet paper, guess what? You can use doggy pads. Aha! But that's just another idea right there. But right now I have a bunch of toilet paper. So that's how I did my mask. But if I don't have any more left, that will be my next route right there. Okay? So... let's do it one more time before I go. That's all it looks like. And no sewing whatsoever. Very easy. Just fold it like a fan. Like folding a fan, you see it? But remember, this side has to go right here, okay? Because that's your protective side. Just remember which way is your protective side. And it looks like a boat, you see? And then you put your chin underneath there and everything. But make sure, when you're on, make sure it's a little tight or whatever. But that's it. Just like that. I mean, you can't get any easier than that, right? I've been doing this for him for a while. He actually been wearing it for a while. I forced him to wear it for a while. And look. See? Looks really good, to be honest. That's all you have to do. Look how nice that mask is. I'm gonna hold the... See? Nice mask, right? But that's how I did it. That's how I've been helping him. Anyway, other than that, that's about it on this video. And you can do this so easily. I'm telling you, just four elastic plus one of these and toilet paper. And then test the toilet paper out, okay? Test it to make sure you're breathing okay, and then you know how to do it. Okay? Other than that, that's about it. And I will see you in the next video. Okay.